Now we're going to talk about starting your engines. Before we do that though, I want to remind you that you need to hook up the safety lanyard to a belt buckle or something that's stationary on your body so that if you fall down while running the boat, the engines will shut themselves off and you won't be going along at a dangerous speed. The first step is to connect the looped end of the safety lanyard to the switch that's underneath the steering wheel. To do that, you'll slip the loop in between the red toggle switch and the plastic that's mounted to the console. Push it down and the switch will be activated then. Next step is to clip the clipped end of the lanyard to your belt loop or life jacket or something else that's stationary on your person. Now you're ready to safely operate your vessel. Now let's talk about how to start your Mercury engines. Just forward of the cluster of battery switches, you have your 3 engine ignition switches. You'll insert the keys, and when you're ready to run the boat, you'll turn them 2 clicks and hear a beep for each engine. Now that the batteries are energized, we can move towards starting the engines. There's a variety of ways to do that, but first, let me warn you that safety is of the utmost concern. We need to make sure that no one's in the water. When you start a motor, you need to make sure that everybody is safely seated when you're underway. Just some safety tips that we need to keep in mind as we run this boat. The easiest way to start your engines is to simply press the button that says start stop on the bottom of the port throttle handle control. You'll hear a beep, and then you'll hear the 3 engines start. There are also 3 buttons on the back side of the throttle control binnacle: port, center, and starboard. You can stop the engines by simply pressing the button on the bottom of the port handle of the throttle control, or you can press the 3 buttons that are beneath the screen on the back of the binnacle. All of your engine functions are shown on the vessel view that's in the center of the displays on the console. There's a variety of options to choose from. You can select engines. You can control your C zone, which is very handy to have. You can have your systems come up on the screen. Your engine functions are the main reason for the vessel view, though. You can use this to show your gallons. Fuel capacity is shown. Fuel used, gallons per hour. Your trim selections are shown at the bottom of the screen. You can also check your battery voltages. So there's a lot to offer on the vessel view. It's good to familiarize yourself with it and get to know where all the various options are. Read the Mercury owner's manual that's in your owner's packet, and it will explain those systems.